Are you afraid that artificial intelligence will replace you? Unsure how to navigate your career in the age of AI? Do you wake up at night thinking, what if my job simply disappears tomorrow? You're not alone. AI is transforming entire industries, jobs are being cut, and uncertainty is growing. But paralyzing fear is your worst enemy. If you want to not just survive, but thrive in the AI era, this video is for you. I won't tell you that AI is the future, you already know that. I'll tell you exactly how you can rethink your career to become indispensable, even in a world where AI is taking over more and more tasks. Grab a pen and a notebook because the next few minutes could change your professional life. My name is Anatolii Zasoba, and I'm a certified holistic coach for business leaders. If you're wondering about my accent, no, this is not AI-generated speech. This is my real voice. I'm Ukrainian, living in New York, and unlike artificial intelligence, I come with real emotions, real experience, and yes, a real accent. I work with executives and professionals from companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple. I'm at the center of technological change, and I see how some professionals get lost in their face of AI, while others use it as a springboard for career growth. My clients transform their careers and opportunities using the very strategies I'll share with you today. Because the difference between those who fear AI and those who use it as a tool for success comes down to one thing: a conscious choice followed by strategic action. Let's look at the facts. According to a McKinsey study, around 30% of all work tasks will be automated by 2030. Goldman Sachs predicts that AI could impact up to 300 million jobs worldwide. But what's hidden behind these numbers? AI doesn't eliminate jobs entirely, it automates routine, repetitive tasks. This means that professions are not disappearing, they are evolving. The question is not whether AI will replace you entirely. The question is, can you become the kind of person who uses AI as an intellectual partner? Studies show that professionals who integrate AI into their work are 40% more productive than those who stick to traditional methods. Do you want to be in that group? Keep watching. Fear of new technology is part of human nature. People were afraid of electricity, automobiles, and computers. This is a normal reaction to the unknown. But fear is only half the story. If you look deeper, you'll realize that you're feeling more than just anxiety. You have curiosity. What if AI helps me do things I never thought possible? You have anticipation. Could this be a chance to reach a new level? You have a drive for discovery. What if I can create something unique with AI? When you shift from anxiety to interest, everything changes. You stop seeing a threat and start seeing opportunity. And that is what separates those who will lose to AI from those who will win. The strong get stronger, the weak get weaker. And you decide which one you will be in this equation. Do you know why humanity has survived and thrived? Not because we are stronger or faster than other species, but because we adapt better. As my mentor and co-author Brian Tracy once said, if you want to be successful, you need to adapt to change faster than your competitors. Today's world is no longer divided into rich and poor. It's divided into those who learn and adapt quickly and those who cling to the past. Research of neuroplasticity shows that our brains can form new neural connections at any age. You're biologically wired for adaptation. People who resist AI don't realize they're resisting their own evolution. People who embrace AI as a tool unlock entirely new career horizons. The most in-demand professions of the future will be in learning, coaching, and mentorship, because the ability to learn faster than others is not just a competitive advantage. It's a survival skill in the modern world. If you want to not just survive but thrive in the AI era, here are 3 key strategies. 1. Develop skills AI cannot replace. This includes emotional intelligence, critical thinking, creative problem solving, leadership, and empathy. These skills make you unique because they rely on human experience, intuition, and contextual understanding. 2. Become an expert in collaborating with AI. Don't compete with AI. Learn to orchestrate it. Studies show that AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who don't know how to use AI. Professionals who leverage AI tools are already 20 to 30% more in demand. 3. Build your personal brand and human value. AI does not create trust, people create trust. Develop your personal brand, build relationships, and create value through human connection. This is something AI will never be able to replace. Now it's your turn to take action. Take a piece of paper and answer these 3 questions. 1. What am I really afraid of losing because of AI? Be specific: status, salary, self-respect, sense of mastery. 2. What qualities do I have that AI will never be able to replicate? Where are my human advantages? Empathy, experience, intuition, the ability to inspire. And number 3. What is one small step I will take today to start adapting? It can be something simple: learning one AI tool, reading an article, talking to a colleague who already uses AI. Pause this video and write down your answers. And share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what came up for you. This is not just an exercise, it's your first step toward transformation. AI isn't taking the future away, it's changing the rules of the game. You can resist and lose, or you can adapt and win. The choice is yours. But remember, those who see opportunities in AI instead of threats are already shaping their future. New life starts with clarity, and you are just one insight away from your next level. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.